What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. So the former SEC chair, Jay Clayton, says that crypto regulation must start with stablecoins. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. Now, we all know that crypto regulation is coming. Whether we like it or not, the government right now is very interested, at least here in the US, and it seems like governments around the world are interested in having some sort of regulation around cryptocurrency. They think that, crypto is like the Wild West and it's just been running, rampant and unchecked for so long. So they think that they need to put their 2 cents into it. Now, the big mistake that they've been trying to, do so far is they're trying to dive in without any guidance. And this could obviously lead to more issues than there are currently. Now, this Jay Clayton, he says, I think it's a good idea that the Financial Stability Oversight Council is getting together. Crypto assets or digital assets span the jurisdictions of many groups. What we're seeing is getting them into a room and saying, where is this in your arena? Where is this in my arena? Where do we need additional guidance or legislation? So he does say that, as of right now, stable coins are the low-hanging fruit. And that does make sense, right? Stable coins are supposed to be stable. They're supposed to be a safe haven for your money when you don't have it tied in a volatile asset, okay, or volatile coin, right? So where this comes into play is that we have obviously seen issues over time with some stable coins, like he said, not being so stable. Okay, with the algorithmic stable coins, they are supposed to be tied to the US dollar or whatever, the native currency. Most of them are the US dollar. But we've obviously seen a few of them depeg from that or collapse as far as price goes altogether. Some of the recent ones being the Terra USD, I believe. So what they can do, and I'm sure this is going to be proposed at some point in time, is they could have a US dollar backed stablecoin where the Fed basically backs a stablecoin. Now, what that means is that you truly are able to redeem one of these coins for a US dollar. Okay. That's what it seems like is probably going to be coming. And that's the easiest way for the government to obviously regulate crypto. Now, again, there is such thing as too much regulation, but this does achieve some of the things that the government wants to do, because obviously one of the big things that we all know of, and it's kind of the unspoken, thing in the back of the room, they want to be able to track what you're doing with your money. And right now, there's a lot of things in crypto where they can't track what's happening. That's a big reason why, Tornado Cash ended up getting, the sanctions against it there, is because, again, they couldn't track what was going on. There's, that's what Tornado Cash's function was. Okay. So if the government is able to regulate stable coins and provide a fiat on-ramp and off, a fiat on-ramp and off-ramp, and a safe one at that, they're able to, see basically the comings and goings of all the dollars. It's also easier for their, for the IRS and all that sort of stuff, which again can be good and bad depending on what your goal is in crypto. Okay. There's obviously, both sides to it, but at least this is the way that I think things are going, and the way that the Jay Clayton, the former SEC chair, thinks that things are going to be going as well. But we want to hear what you guys think. And the nice thing is that at least ClearCryptos has an opportunity to have a seat at this table and help guide things the way that they should go. Okay. There's tons of people that are part of ClearCryptos that are very knowledgeable in the industry and can provide some guidance to those who may not be that familiar. So appreciate you guys stopping in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We want to hear what you guys think. Feel free to comment below. And as always, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, it'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel for you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.